World Dawg is responsible for Joe's death.
Let me explain something to you. You see, in this state known as Florida, it's a gun.
For those of us who know Kartel, know that Vybz Kartel is a vulgar. Everybody know him lifestyle at Gregory Park with shot.
Young people, see here, you have to see a spray pan and a bag of fertilizer. You have to give shout out to Israel Tech, We Records, Vybz Kartel.
Yes, my peeps. Big up on yourself all the time. Big up on yourself all the time, my peeps. Yeah, man. Welcome back, you know. Yes, my peeps. Today I have to talk about World Dawg. Yeah, man. Man said, World Dawg cause his death. I'm bridging Joe. Yeah. I him cause it. You don't know. I don't know what to think. Might be a people opinion. Don't know. And the lady talk about Vybz Kartel. Or Vybz Kartel think Lord. But it's always Lord. From day one it's always Lord. Yep. And the farmer come out and acknowledge who help him. Big up yourself for that, the farmer. I was showing everything today. I was showing what going on. So, yep. First we'll start with man I talk about Joe. Or World Dawg. Or World Dawg cause. In bridging life. So my peeps. What take it, me don't know what to think. Don't know which story my listener for. What things happen. Yes, my people. I'm going to kick it off like this. Big up on yourself. One love always.
World Dawg is responsible for Joe's death.
Let me explain something to you. You see, in this state known as Florida, it's a gun state. Anybody, once you don't have a felony, can walk into any gun shop and purchase a gun. If you don't have a license, you can get that gun within 3 days. If you have a license, you can carry out the gun same day. Otherwise, you have to wait 3 days to go back, go pick up the gun or have them ship it to your house. A blood clot Glock, you can pick up a Glock from 3 bills. I use one. 3 bills and change and up. Right? So now you are going to send threat in a state known as Florida, where stand your fucking ground is the law. But once a man threaten you, you can literally go to the police and say, hey, that boy threatened me, you know. I'm afraid for my life, you know. And anyway you see me can turn your hand on him and walk away. Why the fuck would World Dawg put himself in that situation? You kill your friend, brother, for what? For what?
Yes, my people. It's a really sad situation with World Dawg. Yeah, man. Real. In a real life, it's a very sad situation. Yeah, man. R.I.P. to Joe. Yeah, man. But me I tell you, hope him alright and hope World Dawg come out the best, you know? Yeah, man. I don't know. Terrible. Terrible. World Dawg. Like you mix up in a lot of things. I hear this a story, I mean I hear that the story there. You see a man wanna this in a club. Yep. I mean some of things a squash thing. You don't know. You mix up, man. If you choose a side and know where you do. Yep. Yep. So it's the World Dawg. So you go. Pick up yourself, World Dawg. Yeah, man. Hurry up and better up and make we hear your side of the story. Yes, my peeps. Yep. The lady now talk about Vybz Kartel. How him do it. How Vybz Kartel always a do it. And day one him a do it. Yeah, man. So big up to Vybz Kartel. You have a hear what the lady have to say about him. Nothing bad today. So body might have start off like it bad. Then, like him just attack it truth. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, my people. Check her out. Bless up.
For those of us who know Kartel, know that Vybz Kartel is a vulgar man. When Vybz Kartel was living in Waterford, everybody know his lifestyle. Everybody know him lifestyle at Gregory Park with Shorty. Kartel loud, Kartel chat too much and Kartel loud. Kartel go to prison loud. Kartel was in prison for 12 and a half years loud. Whilst Kartel was in prison, Kartel write me from prison. Nasty pasty letter from prison. Whilst Kartel was in prison, Kartel buy him mother house, all I'm picking them house, and Kartel in a prison and know say, Shorty have man, I'm house. Kartel loud. Kartel came out of prison, Kartel go to St. Vincent, apparently Kartel knows his career now go make nothing at St. Vincent, because St. Vincent people don't even interested in him there. Kartel, everything where Kartel do, Kartel loud. The Jamaica that Kartel left is a different Jamaica he came back and saw, and Kartel is quickly adjusting. Kartel buy a vehicle for $30 million. Loud. Kartel bought a house for $1 million, for $100 million. Put it up on social media. Loud. That is who Kartel is. Kartel go buy a pair of shoes for his daughter. It dep on social media. Loud. Why are you saying that the man supposed to live in silence and don't let anybody see him house when by? Why? Him fi go to prison loud, him fi do everything else loud. But him fi win in a silence? Him buy a car and him supposed to hide it, and him buy him house and him supposed to hide it in a social media era. Why? So that people who not make nothing of themselves, so that people with low self-esteem can feel better. So the man fi hide him house so that you people who not do nothing about in your life can feel better. That's how the world is. I know everybody's supposed to do with them life what they want to do. If you want to get to come out here, come tell the man, say the man no fear throw him house and the man no fear talk about him house. The man fear live in a silence. Kartel has been living loudly all his life. He do everything loud. So why when him a win, he must win in a silence? What is wrong with us? We have one selective kind of bad man. We only want to see some win and no want to see some win. You only want to see a part of Kartel. Well, Kartel I go show you the whole line. Kartel winning loud, win loud. No want to see. Cause I want to cheer you on when you are win. Cause just like how when you did do the little bad things that me never like me used to loud, I saw me I go cheer you on when you are win. Yeah man, me love it. Show you things on the mountain top of feel. And you work and you bite and I feel. And bad mind people who can't take progress, bad mind people who don't want to see people succeed. Flat bridge round there. I don't know if you go do. Make the man win, man, with two bad mind.
Yes, my peeps. You know, Vybz Kartel thing always loud. Me say loud, it's always loud. Yeah, man. From day one, it's always loud. Yes, she may come back and say it loud, but him say it himself. Because he make sure tell you from day one, you know. Say, I do it, him I do it, you know. Yep. Do it, him I do it. And when him I do it, he make everybody see it. Yep. Now remember that? Now many more. And make sure him making a note. Say, I do it, him I do it. What I mean when I say him I do it, make everybody see it. Yep. Him say him style tougher than the concrete. Yep. That means say, Lord, him Lord. Everybody fi see it. But I think him change. And that him know that him grow. Yeah man. Big up to Vybz Kartel. Always. No matter what. Yeah man. And the farmer. Last but not least. Farmer come out. You must acknowledge the people them. By help him. Big up yourself, farmer. Yeah man, always. Acknowledge who help you all the time. Remember, pick up yourself and the amount you get. You don't know you say you can help others. So big up yourself, my farmer. So hear what you have to say. Big up all the farmer them. Boom.
Yeah, people. You hear? have see a spray pan and a bag of fertilizer. And see, 5 million up yet. I have to give thanks to everybody who reach out to me. You see me? Remember what I say? I'm not selfish, I'm not all to myself alone. Only if a farmer in the community, I'm going to get something what I said with. Grateful, it's a hard working youth as you can see. You have to give shout out to Isratech, We Records, Vybz Kartel, and many more people. You see me I say, yeah man, the blessing never stop. Yeah man, that's what the people say. See them there? Yeah. As I say, I'm not selfish. Other farmer, I reach out to them to make them get set. Yeah, that is it.
Yeah, man. Big up to the farmer, man. Yeah, man, and all the people them out there here and watch. Thank you, man. Yeah, man. Welcome. And make sure you subscribe and like. Yes, you can get more other content. And I put out. You can love and enjoy it. So, big up on yourself. Enjoy another day. Yardman TV. Boom.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy.